my name is Lance Fletcher. I'm the Director of Sustainable Design at the Boston Architectural College, where we offer online courses and certificates in sustainable design, and where we have our Master of Design Studies in Sustainable Design. Through a distance low-residency program that includes brief periods of intensive study in Boston, the BAC's online Master of Design Studies in Sustainable Design creates leaders of the green building revolution. This week is our winter intensive, where we have leading practitioners immerse students in whole system thinking using the BAC and Boston as a laboratory.
My name is Jen Carrazzo. I'm from Minnesota and I work in the construction field right now. I have an undergraduate in architecture with a minor in sustainability. Within my company I do a lot of virtual design and documentation around LEED certification. The advantages for me in low residency is the ability to have a job while I'm going to school. I came out of undergrad a few years ago in probably the worst economy in a while and couldn't find a job in the field, and so once I did, I didn't want to give that up. When I found a program that would allow me to go to school while I'm working, it was very beneficial. My interest in sustainability revolves around architecture and mainly construction waste. Throughout history courses in my undergraduate degree, we were learning about the amount of waste that was going into the landfill through this profession and wondering how that can be eliminated or reduced through sustainable design.
The collaborative process of the MDS program is what I find most exciting, and getting together with the students that I've met online and coursework in person and working together with them is one of the most exciting parts of the program. My name is Eric Lewandowski and I'm a photographer, and I'm studying in the Masters of Design Studies program. My interest in sustainable design comes from the interest in reducing my home's energy impact and improving the environmental performance, looking at the impact that my family and myself and my home have on the environment, and thinking about the future that we will leave for our children is of importance to me.
My name's Kelly Taylor, and I'm an interior designer from Providence, Rhode Island, and I am in the MDS program for sustainable design at the BAC. The advantages of the Sustainable Design Low Residency program for me are that I don't live in Boston, and even if I did, I have 2 small children and a full-time career as an interior designer with my own firm, so working online for me makes it much easier for me to work at my own pace and on my own schedule. I think sustainable design is not for the short term, and that no matter what style we're building in, it needs to be sustainable for our planet and our environment to continue and for humans to truly survive.
My name is Connor Lambert. I work in finance for a living, but I'm pursuing the MDS in sustainable design. The advantages of a low residency program for me are the fact that I have a job, a family, 2 children, and a home on Long Island, so I'm able to do the work from a distance and also take care of my duties as a husband and provider and still get the education that I need without actually being here. I'm interested in sustainable design because as a whole I'm interested in sustainable living. I have an inefficient older home that I would like to figure out ways to renovate it in a way that I can have less of an impact on the environment.
I chose the MDS and Sustainable Design program to help support sustainable design advocacy as I continue my career as an interior designer.
I would like to redesign existing homes and improve their energy systems and their impact on the environment.
I look at the MDS program as a way to help me transition from my photography and design field to sustainable design and architecture consulting potentially at some point down the road.
Because of my background in the construction and architectural industry, I'm hoping to focus on construction waste and how to mitigate that from landfills through dismantling projects, deconstruction, and remanufacturing to the construction industry through certifications like LEED design and kind of exploding that onto a larger scale.